Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. This is Digital Marathon DigiThon where we are going to share you 42 challenges. We have already shared you 27 challenges and this video will be going to have a 28th challenge for you. We are really happy and thankful to you for all your participation and sharing your answers and making this event as such a successful event. Now without wasting much time, let's see your 28th challenge for today.
Friends, the challenge is on your screen where you have to design a digital logic which should be able to find out if number of ones in a 7-bit number are odd or not. Here you have to design this unknown block where the input vector is 7-bit long and its output is yes odd. Yes odd meaning if the number of bits in this 7-bit vector are odd, this bit should go high, otherwise it should remain 0. Now you can pause my video here. Try to think of its answer. If you come to know its answer, please write it down in the comment section. By the way, this question is also a very simple question and any one of you can attempt it very easily. If this video is informative and you like this, please press the like button and share your feedback in the comment section. And I hope that all of you are enjoying this video series called DigiThon. I'm really impressed with your energy and enthusiasm. And in future also we are going to create many such videos. So to be aligned with our channel, don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon to get the notification of all the upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching and your time.